Good evening, dear students. You all are welcome to our channel Samarpan The Education Hub, and Merry Christmas to all, dear students. I hope today's you must celebrated and enjoyed full day with your family and friends around you. आप सभी बहुत ही अच्छे से पढ़ाई कर रहे होंगे, इसकी हमें उम्मीद है, और अपनी तैयारी बहुत बेहतरीन तरीके से कर रहे होंगे। साथ में जो त्यौहार आ रहा है आपके सामने, उसे भी एंजॉय कर रहे होंगे, है ना। तो इसी के साथ हम लोग आज फिर से जुड़ चुके हैं 8:45 PM, और आज हम लोग हाइट एंड डिस्टेंस का जो है सेकेंड लास्ट लेक्चर आज हम लोग सेशन करने वाले हैं, जिसमें कुछ RS अग्रवाल के प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन करेंगे, और फिर हम लोग टुमारो इस हाइट एंड डिस्टेंस का लास्ट क्लास होगा, क्योंकि इस चैप्टर में बहुत सारा वाइड रेंज का क्वेश्चन है। लेकिन अगर हम सबको कराएं तो शायद टाइम बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है हमारे पास, तो आप लोग मेहनत करेंगे और आपके पास जो और भी जो सैम्पल पेपर वगैरह जो है उसे आप सॉल्व करेंगे, ठीक है। तो वंस अगेन हैप्पी क्रिसमस टू ऑल, एंजॉय। Now starts our I'm going to start this session. Let's move to the question and start to solve the question. लास्ट टाइम हम लोगों ने ये सेकेंड क्वेश्चन तक कर लिया था, तो आज हम लोग थर्ड क्वेश्चन पे आ चुके हैं, है ना। Here the third question: the shadow of a tower standing on a level ground is found to be 30 meter longer when the sun's altitude is 30 degree than when it was 60 degree. Find the height of the tower. यहाँ पे कहा जा रहा है कि एक शैडो जो है किसी टावर का, द शैडो ऑफ ए टावर स्टैंडिंग ऑन लेवल ग्राउंड इज फाउंड टू बी 30 मीटर लॉन्गर व्हेन द सन्स एल्टीट्यूड इज 30 डिग्री व्हेन इट इज 60 डिग्री। आप लोग ट्राई करें एक बार। चलिए सॉल्व करते हैं हम लोग मिलकर, है ना। 10 जल्द मिलकर सॉल्व करेंगे तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा टाइम हम लोग कंज्यूम नहीं कर पाएंगे, कम से कम टाइम में हम लोग ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर पाएंगे। ये हमारा थर्ड क्वेश्चन है, प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन एग्जाम्पल की हम बात कर रहे हैं। इसमें कहा जा रहा है कि द शैडो ऑफ ए टावर इज स्टैंडिंग ऑन ए लेवल ग्राउंड इज फाउंड टू बी 30 मीटर लॉन्गर, है ना, देन द एल्टीट्यूड इज 30 डिग्री देन व्हेन इट वाज 60 डिग्री। तो मान लीजिए कि ये हमारा एक टावर है, लेट्स सपोज ए बी इज द टावर, एंड जब ये 60 डिग्री पे टावर होता है तो इसका जो शैडो है ना, उसमें और जो 30 डिग्री पे जो शैडो होता है ना, आफ्टर सम टाइम उसके दोनों के बीच का, ये जब 60 डिग्री पे होता है और बाद में कुछ देर के बाद क्या होता है कि यहाँ पे जब ये 30 डिग्री का एंगल बनाता है तो उसके बीच में, है ना, 30 मीटर ज़्यादा होता है। मतलब इस जब फर्स्ट टाइम बनाता है तो उससे ये 30 मीटर ज़्यादा हो जाता है। तो हमें बताना है कि ये जो हाइट है, यानी कि ए बी हाइट है टावर का, वो कितना है। ठीक है, लेट्स सपोज ए बी इज द हाइट ऑफ द टावर, सी पॉइंट इज द फर्स्ट पॉइंट वेयर द फर्स्ट टाइम शैडो क्रिएटेड बाय द सन, आफ्टर दैट इट इंक्रीजेज टू द डी पॉइंट just because of increase in the decrease in the angle and increase in the distance from the foot of the tower. Okay, let AB is the height of the tower and angle of angles formed by the shadow are 30 degree and 60 degree. Also let AC equals to AC, ये AC हमें पता नहीं तो हमें क्या मान लेते हैं, इसको x मान लेते हैं। इस AC का जो डिस्टेंस है वो हमें नहीं पता है तो हमने इसे x मान लिया। ओके, नाउ AC इक्वल टू x मीटर, देयरफॉर इन ट्रायंगल ABC एंगल A इक्वल्स टू 90 डिग्री एंड एंगल C इक्वल्स टू 60 डिग्री। using the trigonometric ratios now. In this triangle, the relation between this AC and AB is P by B, that is and perpendicular by base. Therefore, here we will apply tan theta, that is 10, and the angle value is 60 degree. 60 degree. Therefore, tan 60 is P by B, that is AB upon AC, and tan 60 is root 3. Now AB by BC, BC that is AC, AC is equal to X equals to root 3, or on cross multiplication here it will be AB equals to X root 3, first equation. Now if we will find the value of AD, AD is completely sum of AC plus CD. Therefore AD equals to what? AD equals to AC, that is X, plus DC, DC that is 30 meter. This is the value for AC AD. We will take this value for solving the equation. Now in triangle ABD, angle ADB equals to 30 degree, and angle A equals to 90 degree. Using T ratios, same T ratios will be applied, but the angle will be 30 degree. Tan 30 degree equals to AB upon AD. Here root 30 is 1 by 2, 1 by root 3, tan 30 is 1 by root 3 equals to AB. Now we will put the value of AB from equation 1. We will take the value of AB from equation 1 because AB equals to X root 3. Therefore it will become X root 3 upon AD is what? AD is X plus 30 meter, that is X plus 30 meter. On cross multiplication we will get 3x into root 3 equals to x plus 30 meter, or 3x, in this x will come this side and it will be minus x, and that is 30 meter. Now 2x equals to 30 meter, or x equals to 30 divided by 2 equals to x equals to 15 meter. Now putting the value of x in equation 1, we will get the value of AB. Now putting the value of x in equation 1, we get AB equals to x root 3, that is AB equals to 15 root 3, or AB equals to 15 into 1.732, because here in the question it has been given that we have to put the value of root 3 is 1.732. okay, so on multiplication, AB equals to 15 into 1.732 equals to 0, carry 3, carry 4, nine, and 15 and 10, 25. Now here 30 is 1, after decimal 3 digit are there, 1 2 3, therefore we will put the decimal 1 2 3, that the answer will be AB equals to 25.98 meter. So the required height of the tower is 25.98 meter. Okay, you can see that solution. Now let's move to the next question of the same exercise, example, previous example. Here this question is two pillars of equal heights and on the either side of sorry two pillars of equal heights stand on either side of a road which is 100 meters wide. At a point on the road between the pillars, the angles of elevation of the tops of the pillar are 60 degree and 30 degree. Find the height of the each pillar and position of the point on the road. Okay, और ये क्वेश्चन जो है आपका CBSE 2011, 13, 18 का सी सेट एंड 19 चार बार से भी 4 बार पूछा गया है, तो हमें उम्मीद है कि है ना ऐसे क्वेश्चन आएंगे। हम लोग चलते हैं, इसको सॉल्व करते हैं। नाउ दो टावर की बात कही जा रही है, मीन्स दो पिलर की बात कही जा रही है जो कि रोड के दो किनारे पे है ना। लेट्स सपोज ऐसा क्वेश्चन शायद हम लोगों ने कर लिया है, बट हम लोग एक बार और से फिर से सॉल्व करके देखते हैं, है ना। आप लोग भी सॉल्व कर लें इसे। Two pillars of equal heights, that is PM and QN, two pillars of equal height, and here said that from a point between them on the road, here it is road, this is 100-meter wide, this road is 100-meter wide. Okay, so it forms the angle of elevation from the top, so it is R point, and the another, this is 60-degree angle, and the angle of elevation from the same point to the other pole is 30 degree. Now this is the perpendicular height and this is also perpendicular height. It is given that fourth number question of the example, previous year example. Now let PM and QN are poles of equal heights, that is H, standing on the either sides of road mn equals to 100 मीटर। ओके, तो यहाँ पे कहा जा रहा है कि रोड जो है वो 100 मीटर है। अच्छा, अगर रोड 100 मीटर है तो हम इसको दो पार्ट में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि हमें ये नहीं पता है कि कौन सा पार्ट छोटा है और कौन सा बड़ा है। तो इफ लेट सपोज ऑल्सो let nr is also nr is x meter, then rm equals to 100 minus x meter. This is x meter and this is 100 minus x meter, because the full length of this road is 100 meter, therefore we can divide it into two parts. Okay, now using the trigonometric ratios, now in triangle PMR, angle M equals to 90 degree, therefore using T ratio, इसमें हम लोग देखें तो क्या हमको दिख रहा है कि PM and RM, this is the base and height, therefore we can use the trigonometric ratios 10:30, therefore 10:30 degree, that is P by B, that is PM upon RM, and 10:30 is 1 by root 3, therefore it will become 1 by root 3 equals to PM by RM is what, 100 minus x, and if we will replace the PM with h, it will become 100 minus x equals to PM is h and root 3. Okay, or we can write it also, h equals to 100 minus x upon root 3. This is our first equation. Okay, similarly इसके ऐसे ही हम लोग क्या करेंगे, सेकेंड ट्रायंगल जो है हमारे पास, ट्रायंगल QNR, in triangle QNR angle N equals to 90 degree, using T ratios, क्या होगा हमारे पास, सेम चीज, that is P by B, but the angle will be 60 degree, 10:60 degree equals to P by B, that is QN upon NR. We can replace the values because this is equals to root 3 and it will become 60 degree is root 3 equals to QN is what, QN is height, that is h, because both of pole is of equal height, and NR is what, x. Now on cross multiplication it will become h equals to x root 3. This is second equation. Now equating equation 1 and 2, we get, हम लोगों ने क्या किया, जो फर्स्ट इक्वेशन है और वो सेकंड इक्वेशन है, दोनों को क्या कर देंगे, बराबर कर देंगे। जब इक्वेट करेंगे तो हमारे पास x का वैल्यू निकल के आएगा और उसके बाद हम लोग हाइट आसानी से निकाल सकते हैं, क्योंकि यहाँ पर बोला गया है जो pm हाइट है वो qn के बराबर है, तो इसलिए हमने क्या किया, दोनों इक्वेशन को इक्वेट करेंगे यहाँ पे, है ना। तो व्हाट वी विल गेट, देयरफॉर माइनस एक्स बाई रूट 3 इक्वल्स टू x रूट 3 और 100 माइनस x equals to x, that is 3x, और x equals to 3x minus x equals to 100. Therefore x equals to 100 upon 2 or 50 meter. Sorry guys, sorry. It will become plus, and here it will 4 and 425, that is 25 meter. Okay, the value of x is 25 meter. Here the first distance is 25 meter, because here the sign is minus, therefore when this will move to that side it will change to the plus sign. Okay, so here it is 25 meter, value of x is 25 meter, here it is 25 meter. Okay, now x equals to what, nr, which is 25 meter, and mr equals to 100 minus 25, that is 75 meter, and height of the poles pm equals to qn equals to x root 3 that is 25 into 1.732. On multiplication the value become 25 to the 50, 0 carry 5, 25 3 is 75, carry 5, that is 75 plus 5, that is 80, 0 carry 8, 25 7 ja 175 and 8. 183 3 and 25 1 ja 25 plus 18, that is 43, and here decimal place is 123, therefore 123 meter. So the required height of the poles is of the poles is 43.3 meter, and distance between two poles from point R to N is 25 meter, and R to M is 75 meter. So we have solved this question. Now let's do the move question. Next question. हमें उम्मीद है कि आपको ये क्वेश्चन समझ में आ रहे होंगे. चलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे. Here the question is on the screen. The angle of elevation and depression of the top of and bottom of a tower from the top of a building 60 meter high are 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the difference between the height of the building and the tower, and also the distance between them. तो ये क्वेश्चन भी बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग है. यहाँ पर एक वर्ड लेटर जो है रिपीट हो गया है. मैं इसे इरेज कर देता हूँ. 1 मिनट. इज रिपीटेड 2 times. Between the height of the building and the tower, and also the distance between them. Okay, correct. Now सॉल्व करते हैं हम लोग. आप एक बार सॉल्व करें. Question is telling that the angles Let's suppose AB is the height of building, which is 60 meter, and a tower and PM is the PQ is the height of the tower. Therefore, let's suppose this point is the point where it equates to the some part of the tower. मतलब ये पॉइंट वो पॉइंट है जहाँ पे ये 60 मीटर हाइट के बराबर में ये पॉइंट इस बिल्डिंग से बराबरी के होता है, ठीक है। तो ये भी हाइट हमारा 60 मीटर हो जाएगा, because if angle of elevation is from this point is upward, therefore it will be the horizontal plane, that is horizontal level. Okay, so it is what angle is 60 degree. That is 30 degree from the top of a building. The angle of elevation to the top of the tower is 30 degree, and the angle of depression from the same point is 60 degree to the bottom of the tower is. Now according to this question, if this angle is 90 degree or this BM is parallel to AQ, then this is also 60 degree, and in this angle this is 90 degree. Okay, now we can use it. If we will find the value of AQ, we will able to find the value of BM. Okay, after that we will add the MQ plus PM, then it will be the height of the tower. Okay, now let's suppose this is the 5th number question. Let AB is the height of the building (60 meter) and PQ is the height of tower. Okay, therefore in this triangle ABQ angle A equals to 90 degree. Therefore, using T ratios, here this is perpendicular height and this is base, therefore tan 60, using tan 60, that is tan 60 degree is BQ, yeah, or AB upon AQ, and tan 60 is what? Tan 60 is √3. Therefore AB is what? 60 meter upon AQ equals to root 3, or AB root 3 equals to 60 meter. Therefore AB equals to 60 meter upon root 3. This is our first equation. Now this is not AB, this is AQ. Okay, this is not AB, this is AQ. I have corrected it, AQ. Now in triangle PMB angle PMB equals to 90 degree and angle PBM equals to 30 degree. Using T ratios, we get here, if we will find that BM is equal to AQ, if we want to write it, we can write it BM equals to AQ. Why it is so? Because this is ground level and this BM is the horizontal level for this 30 degree angle of elevation here. So the ground level and horizontal level of any point of side is always parallel to each other. Therefore BM is also AQ. Next point is, because AB is also equal to BQ, because these two lines are parallel to each other, so this distance and this distance will be same. Therefore 60 meter equals to 60 meter. Similarly, if these two lines are perpendicular and equal to each other, then this will also parallel. So from equation 1 we can find the value of this whole pole. Then 30 degree equals to PM upon BM, that is 1 by root 3. Now BM is what? BM is equal to AQ. BM is equal to AQ. So from here we have AQ BM equal to 60 by root 3, that is PM upon 60 by root 3 equals to 1 by root 3. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा हमारे पास? PM equals to 1 by root 3 and the whole value goes to this side. Sorry, it is root 3 PM equals to 60 upon root 3 and PM is what? Here it is in multiplication, therefore this it will go to the division, and 60 upon root 3 into 1 by root 3, it will become 60 upon 3. This is 3 320 times 23 is 60. Therefore PM equals to 20 meter. Now the height of the pole becomes पोल का हाइट हमारे पास क्या हो जाएगा. नाउ height of the pole equals to PM plus MQ, that is PM is what, 20 meter and MQ is 60 meter, therefore it is 80 meter. Now here it is asked that what is the difference between the building and the pole. So the difference is 20 meter, because if we want to differentiate here, the extra part is only 20 meter here, because 60 meter is equal to 60 meter and the excess part, that is extra part, is 20 meter, that is PM. So डिफरेंस, यहाँ पर दोनों के बीच का जो अंतर है वो 20 मीटर का ही है, तो हम लोग क्या कर देंगे यहाँ पे, डिफरेंस इक्वल टू 80 माइनस 60 मीटर, that is 20 meter. Now distance between them also, distance between them equals to AQ therefore AQ is what, 60 meter by root 3. After rationalization, it will become 60 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3, that is 60 root 3 upon 3, that is 20 root 3 meter. Now AQ equals to 20 into 1.732 meter, and it will become 0, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 17 2s are 34, and 1 2 3 decimals, 1 2 3, that is 34.64 meter, and this is the answer for your question. Okay, now let's move to the next question.